If you want to get the iPhone ringtone on the POCO F7, all you have to do is go to the Play Store. Over here, we're gonna go and search for iPhone ringtone. There we go. And then you should be able to find various different apps that, of course, we can use in order to get the iPhone ringtone. I'm gonna use this app over here. Let's just install it. There we go. And once it is installed, we want to open it. All right, so let's open it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, how to set up the iPhone ringtone with this app. Feel free to try any other app in case you are not satisfied with this one. If you see an ad, then of course we need to close it. So let's wait a couple of seconds. There we go. Lots of access, but the real one just had to appear after a couple of seconds. Now here we need to grant the permission to access music and audio on this device so that the app can actually save and set the ringtone for us. We need to also grant this permission as well. Alright, so here we can press this play button in order to listen to these ringtones, so you can find whichever you wish to use, because of course iPhone has had different ringtones throughout the time. So this time I'm going to choose this one over here, this opening, so I'm going to tap on these three dots on the right side, and then over here we're going to press on a ringtone. Once again we have an ad, so let's wait a couple of seconds, let's close it. Then we should see that we have set this ringtone successfully. Alright, so we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna go to settings, let's open sound and vibration, and let's change the ringtone volume. And as you can probably hear, we have indeed an iPhone ringtone. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.